Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Exhail, also known as Amalia, and on this channel, we do Roblox everything, developing, gaming, outfit ideas, and so much more. And today, we're getting into a Bloxburg build tutorial, but not just any build, we're doing a modern villa exterior that looks expensive, clean, and very Pinterest coded. Well, it was. Before we jump in, I want to tell you where the idea came from because this is honestly one of my favorite ways to get build inspiration. I've been on Pinterest saving modern villas, luxury exteriors, clean architecture, and those dreamy soft life homes that look like they belong in a magazine. And I realized how much inspiration you can pull from real world design and bring it straight into Bloxburg, and that's what we're doing today. I just want to say an FYI that this build is only a corner of an exterior, which is seen in the video of Pinterest, the picture that we have up. It's not an interior, it's not anything specific, it's not going deep, it's just an inspiration if you want this type of corner in this entranceway to be your inspiration. This exterior is based on that quiet luxury vibe. Nothing too loud, nothing too busy, just strong, structural, balanced proportions. Soft textures are going to be in here, and a color palette, it's gonna feel rich in this video. I wanted it to feel like the kind of home that makes a statement the second you pull up, but in a classy way. Like, you can tell it's expensive, but it's still calm. So I added a couple more things that is not in the photo. And if you ever want to know what to build, Pinterest is literally your best friend. You don't have to copy a house. You don't have to study the details, roof, shapes, window placement, symmetry, archways, stone textures, none of that stuff, because lighting and all those things, you're just going to, get more ideas as you go. But one thing that I can say is even landscaping, like layered plants, clean paths, simple trees, can take a basic home and make it really designer. I also designed this exterior so you can customize it easily. If you want it more minimal, more cozy, bigger, smaller, high budget, lower budget, you can still use the same structure and just remix it to match your own style. The point is to give you ideas and a strong foundation you can build off of. So with that being said, I'm going to let the tutorial play out from here so you can follow along step by step. Pause whenever you need, girl. Go at your own pace, and if you build this exterior, I want you to comment or tag me because I love seeing your guys' visions. Alright, let's get into it. And there we have it, our Pinterest-inspired villa exterior. I really hope this gave you some fresh ideas for your own Bloxburg builds, because whether you follow it step by step or just take pieces of this design and make it your own, that's amazing. Remember, inspiration doesn't mean copying. It's about understanding the shapes, the structure, and the details that make a build feel elevated. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like the video because it really helps the channel, and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss future builds, gameplays, and dev content. And if you follow me, you can also join my games. I'm always in there building, playing, and hanging out, and I love seeing you guys in the servers. You can add me at Exhail, EXHAII, which presented is Exhale with an IL at the end. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you more than you know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!